Hello everyone! Today in the video I'll show you what I believe to be one of the most convenient bead looms. It's versatile and suitable for weaving bracelets, headbands and necklaces. Looms come in various sizes, which will affect the maximum width of the beadwork you can create. The wider the loom, the broader the jewelry you can create. The length of the beadwork is unlimited, because it wraps around the wooden parts. You can adjust the distance of the working field by adjusting the height of the loom. A more detailed video about the weaving process can already be found on another video on my channel. Now let's take a look of the package with the loom and how it's shipped. You'll find the link to purchase it below the video. It's shipped semi-assembled, making it easy for you to complete. The package also includes paper binders that can be used as clamps for beadwork and threads. Additionally, you can add a starter kit for weaving to your purchase, which includes threads, beads, needles, and clasps. A more detailed review of such a kit is also available on the channel. Let's move on to the assembly process. Your kit includes the pre-assembled base of the loom, metal fittings, and two wooden parts. First, unscrew the metal fittings as shown in the video from both sides. Attach one wooden part on one side, then the metal fitting, and finally the remaining wooden part. Make sure to reposition the metal washers to protect the wooden parts from the metal screws. Once everything is assembled, adjust the height of the loom opening and the tightness of the metal screws to ensure the loom holds its shape securely without movement. The binders should be secured as shown in the video. This serves as an alternative to using tape or pins to secure the threads of the base. That's all for now. Thank you for watching the video, subscribe to the channel and check out other useful videos for bead weaving enthusiasts. You'll find the link to the store with patterns and looms below the video. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye!